That's right. Axial. In the hop shop. SCX10-II in the deadbolt. 2. So I had to do it. I could not stop myself. The new local hobby shop has an indoor rock crawler course. How you doing, brother? I'm stoked. I'm excited. And they also have an indoor carpet track. It's a little bigger in person than it looks on the screen. I like rock crawling. I have rock crawlers. I want to rock crawl. I want to crawl a rock. So we went down to the new hobby store to look at the rock crawler course, and we met the fella that's building it. We met the owners. They're super nice people, excellent folks. They could not be any nicer. The entire thing is set up inside the same building as an archery store that they also own. It is just beyond the archery store. The track was amazing. I took a video. I'll show you guys. The rock crawler course was about half built, maybe 2/3 built. I got a short video of that. Met the fella Dean who was building it. Super nice guy. And yes, for those who are asking, there is going to be rope bridge on the course. 2 actually. It's going to rope bridge from a higher plane. There's going to be a crossover. Then you rope bridge down, plateau, and then rope bridge again. Actually, one's going to be a rope, the other one's going to be a wire, actually. I hope I'm not giving away any spoilers. But anyhow, so Axial decided they were going to put the SCX2 inside the deadbolt body and change it from that lime green that I like to the olive drab that I really like. Let's go ahead. I will admit I have opened this. But for the sake of everything, it came with this tactic controller. It's very lightweight. It does have foam on the wheel. Steering trim, throttle trim. That's it. No thrills, no nothing. It's just a basic controller. I wasn't exactly thrilled with the way it was shaped or the feel of it. It feels nice, not what I would expect in the Axial box, but it's nice. It's there. We're going to use it. You get your plastic pack, and in here are either extra parts. I see links, and I see, you know, suspension links. I see spacers for suspension. I see spacers to stop the shocks. Here is some clamps to go around the bars, the roll bar. They come with 2 trail markers and a wrench. I say trail markers. These things are actually called gate markers for rock crawling. Comes with 2 different heads. This one has like a motocross helmet on it. This one is the skull face. I like the skull face. That's pretty cool. I don't know if you guys are seeing this well. Doing a different attempt at a, and here are here's extra steering wheels. Here's a chain steering wheel. That's actually a pretty cool option. Different light covers for your fog lights. This does not come with LED lights, and it does not have a way to add LED lights from the receiver. And that's one way they're able to save a little bit for you. Here is your awesome full color, extremely thick instruction manual. You're going to want to read that. You know how I feel. On the box, the clips, the body clips, have little plastic handles on them. Makes it easy to get a hold of. That's nice. Comes with 1.9 method race wheels. Has the CRC front bumper, which I believe was on there before. Metal steel C-channel frame rails. Realistic transmission case. And it has the AX10 transmission in it. Dual slipper clutch. And high pinion gears. The gears have a funky curve shape to them. Centered metal single unit ring gear locker. Has lockers and 4-link suspension in the rear. Only 3-link in the front. Got 2 on one side, 1 on the other. I assume they're using the drive shaft as stability there. I honestly don't know. I just saw 3 in the front. You have chassis mounted servo, which is great. 4 links, right, said that. Comes with the olive drab body that I thought was pretty cool. Has Metal Gear servo, 35 turn brushed motor. Came with the Tactic transmitter. It says right here 3-channel receiver, which if it's a 3-channel receiver, and the transmitter is only 2-channel, then there's no reason why you can't plug in some LED lights there. I may be wrong on what I said earlier. I saw a fella's review and he said that you could not add LED lights to it. If this is the receiver I have, then you sure can add LED lights to it. I have adjustable coil-over shocks, WB8HD wild bore drive shafts, adjustable battery tray, and the AE5 ESC with drag brake. Says it's waterproof. Include 3S LiPo capability. Alright, you know we will do it. Waterproof Easily switched in the field. You can set your settings in the field between lipo and nickel metal hydride because it has a dipper switch, a dip switch. The battery lead is their own style of lead, but for some reason it's compatible with the Deans, because everybody uses Deans. No, let me not say everybody doesn't use Deans. All the really cool modifiers use Deans. Anyhow, here are your axles, and does have the Nito Grappler 1.9 tires. Adjustable wheelbase, it says. This truck comes in 12-inch wheelbase. Wheelbase adjustment is easily done with the rear end without affecting the steering geometry and maintaining zero bumper clear. Adjustable wheelbase 11.4, 12.0, and 12.3. So what they're saying is it's set in the middle now, and you're able to go a little bit down and a little bit up. And it says optional links sold separately, but I kind of wonder what the measurement of these links are. Or maybe they're just extras. It is possible they are just extras. Slamma Jamma. Alright. The tires are a bit dirty. Yes, I did run it. Would you guys like to see it? Come on, fellas. Let's go take a look. See what we got there. I can back this up a bit. Is that better? Sweetness. Alright, like I said, the body pins have these little handles on them. Thought that was pretty cool. Of course, we don't get to focus on stuff like that. Who needs to focus? I need to focus. Alright. Angels sing. And it's all plastic. Yep. Here, the body is the white plastic, not the Lexan. Makes that crisp noise. I also run it on some curb, and it makes a brittle sound. Here's where your roll cage connects and your driver's head changes. He can look from side to side, but we want him looking where he's going. What am I doing here? Can you see this? And what we have, oh, this battery. I put this battery in there. They don't come with a battery, but you see their connector fits the standard Dean's connector. Your 3S capable, 3S compatible ESC. Here are those easy to set dip switches they were talking about right here. That awesome transmission that they are so proud of. Those drive shafts that the center floats back and forth. The tires are foam filled, very soft, and I like them for stock tires. I got a ECX Barrage. The stock tires on it were not so hot. They were also 1.9s, and they're very, very soft, but they have an all-terrain tread on them, and they just weren't the greatest. If anybody wants to compare the Barrage wheel to the Axial wheel, these are Falcons, whatever you say it. Oh, chassis mounted servo, correct. And got all these fancy links. I will probably get me some nice pretty metal links up here. I like the red diff covers, that's fancy. Locked up front and rear, of course. Has these side trays, and they are perfect for the body. When the body is on, like so, they fit just perfect. And that's really, I mean, I don't know how much else to show you. Here is your 4-link rear, and let me go ahead and show you this too, since I was talking about it earlier. Your 3-link front, and let's see, back here, this is my twin hammers. It is a WL Toys 10-4-28. This is the EXC Barrage that I was just talking about. This one flexes up on this jar pretty easy. This one, it's got some bounce in it. If it had extra weights, it would flex that no problem. And it actually has more flex available. This would be max flex right here. But I feel the chassis is a little light. And let's talk about that, shall we? You know, for a car of this price point, you know, you go to the store, you spend $330, whatnot, blah, blah. And in your head, you're like, dude, I just bought an Axial. This is going to be the baddest rock crawler ever. What you get is this super duper lightweight. I mean, my 12 scale ECX was way heavier than this. But I mean, it's a valid, I mean, it functions very, very good. It does. Everything functions very well. And it seems to be a well-built vehicle. Of course, it's a rock crawler. It is not fast. I tried it out on 2S, and it had a little bit of punch to hop up stuff. I will take it out and try it on 3S for a different run video. The videos I'm going to show you all now are from the field earlier at the community center. And it is a 2S with my Gens Ace battery. And what I use are Gens Ace 60C batteries. I get these 3500 shorty packs, and these are the LCG shorty packs. And then I also get a 5000 milliwatt shorty pack that is not LCG, which just means thin. And those run fine for me. I'm a big, huge Gens Ace fan. And I like this Axial. I'm going to give it a fun factor 9. Yes, a 9. I say a 9 because it is what it is. It is an Axial. It's quality built. It is the cheapest Axial made to my knowledge. It is entry for Axial. This is a bottom of the line SCX10-II. I can add stuff to it. I can add metal this, metal that, metal links, metal everything, metal wheels. I mean, just like my one here, we got aluminum wheels on it. Everything's modified. I got big bore shocks on it. Got that custom winch on the front. My LED lights. And this one I bought to race at the store. So we'll see about upgrading it just a little bit. I'm thinking maybe, of course we're going to need some custom wheels. I don't like anything stock. So we'll get some beefy custom wheels. Then I'll see about this company called Scalar Fab that makes super duper bumpers. And the bumpers, front and rear, will add heavy weight to this vehicle. I will also see about some metal links. And we will get the bottom side metaled up and sliding. And that's really about it. I'm going to leave all the electronics and the motor exactly like that. I'm going to try it with the 3S. I think 3S is going to be the ticket. I'm not a real big rock racer. I don't bounce rocks. I just crawl. This is going to be perfect for me. I think I'll jazz it up with some fancy lights. Maybe some green lights. Maybe a military theme on this one since it's got that olive drab body. Thanks everybody for watching. I really appreciate your time. I was super excited about this. I went out of my way to acquire this. I went to a store that wasn't even open yet. Made them sell me this bad boy. Thanks everybody for watching. Y'all be safe.